Good day, year ones. It is Wednesday, just 2 more sleepies before it's Friday again. So, for our first English activity, you know that you have to work through your spelling words. Okay, so get onto your spelling words. Pause this video while you do that. Once you've completed your spelling words, year ones, open up on Wednesday of your English activity pack. Let's see what we have to do. So we are still looking at the magic E, year ones. So here we've got words. You just need to add the magic E. I'll read the words to you. Rob will become robe. Cod will become code. Cop will become cope. Rod will become road. Okay. And right below that, write the correct word. Okay. So choose the correct word. Here, do you have a pole or a poke? Choose the correct word. Write it on the line. Okay. Write every single word on the line. Then right below that, choose the correct word. You've got 6 sentences. All you have to do here once, choose which of these words are correct. I'll read the sentences to you. Remember, after I read sentence number 1, pause the video, okay, and write in your answer. So, the first sentence, number 1, the king will dune rule pure for 6 years. Number 2, she is humming a very nice time, tune, tame. 3, he rode, robe, rude, the horse into town. 4, there is no cube, cure, core for that illness. 5, I can see a tube, tune, tide of toothpaste. 6, she is a very rude, ride, tide girl. Okay, so choose the correct word and complete the sentence. Then for your gramming, we're looking at doing words, okay? They are called verbs. All you have to do is choose the correct verb. You've got run, walk, talk, read, eat, drink, play, swim. Okay, write it on the lines right below the picture. Here you've got kids playing, okay? So you'll write P-L-A-Y, play, okay? Then down below this part of the activity here one, look at the pointer where I'm showing. You have to ring the verbs. That means draw a circle around the action word. The verbs, you're doing words, okay? Just draw a circle around the doing word. These sentences are really short, so I will let you read it to yourself. Okay, if you're seeing this, that means you've completed your English and we are moving on to maths. So for Wednesday's maths, let's see what we have to do. We are looking at 3-dimensional shapes here. One, it's very important that you follow instructions, okay? So for this activity, draw a ring around the shapes that are the same. Okay, that means draw a circle around the shapes that are the same. We've got a round ball, a cuboid, a play toy. We've got, looks like it's an orange, and a sponge. So the two that are the same are round, this one and that one. Okay, you will draw beautiful circles from me, okay? Not wobbly looking ones like mine. That is what you have to do for your math activity. Draw a ring around the shapes that are the same. Then, here, you only have to count here one. This part of the activity, how many of this shape do you see? How many cylinders do you see? Okay, so all you have to do is count. So I count one, we've got two. Okay, let's move on here. Oh, looks like we've got three, we've got four. You just count the cylinders and write them on this line over here. Okay, how many cones, how many spheres, how many cubes, how many cuboids. You write them on the lines. It's just numbers. Then here, all you have to do is figure out the code. The rectangle is an A, so you will write A in here. Okay? Then leave a space. The cone is a P, it's a P, so you will write P in here. My P doesn't look very neat here, one, but yours has to. Okay, looks like my pointer has frozen. I won't write the P, but that's supposed to be a P. Year ones, moving on to science for Friday. Okay, for Wednesday. Sorry, year ones, for Wednesday. I don't know why I'm thinking of Friday. Wednesday. Out the pictures. Does each one use electricity? Stick them in the right box. Objects that use electricity, you put them in this side, okay? This box over here. Objects that don't use electricity, you put them in this box over here. Okay, year one, these are the pictures you need to cut out and paste onto this worksheet, okay? I hope that is clear. If it is not, please ask your mommy or your daddy to help that you call me. That is all you have to do for today. Okay, I hope you enjoy the activities and you learn a lot. I will be back tomorrow.